Hi, welcome to the next video in the Terraform series, and today we are going to talk about a very important and frequently used function, that is count, along with length and list, so that we can utilize the benefit of this function. So first, let's understand how can we create multiple resources with the help of count. Because if you want to create, suppose if you want to create this resource group right here, uh, two resource groups, then you can copy and paste the same code again and change the name. That's how you can do it. Or you can utilize the functionality of count. So as you can see right now on this screen, on the visual code, I have wrote two lines. Well, if you want to see from every step, you can see the previous video. Somehow my voice couldn't capture that, so I'm creating it again. And I'm not going to create the code from point to point, but we'll only talk about the code here. So you can see var.resource group name, because that's the variable right here, you can see. And we have added count as 2. That means we can go through a loop and create two resource group if we utilize the indexing. So you can see var.resource group $count.index +1. Let's not do +1 right now, let's make it count.index. So as per the count functionality, we would get two resource group and their name would be tfrg. That's the variable resource group, tfrg -0 and -1, because index always start from 0. So let me show you Terraform plan. Do check the previous video, we do not have any voice in it, but you can check the code I have written from every step from the basic. So there we got the two resource group. You can see tfrg -1, tfrg -0. Now if you want to start your counting from 1 instead of 0, you can add +1 here and save it and run it again. Now your resource group naming would start from 1, tfrg -1, tfrg -2. Let's check. Okay, tfrg -1 and -2. So that's how you can utilize count. And if there is one more thing you can do, you can put the variable as count and call it from the variable. Let me try to do that and show you. Variable count, let's give the default value is equal to 2. Okay, now you can call this variable as usual way, interpolation syntax, var.count. You can see it right here. Now that means 2, right? It will go talk to the variable, and variable would give the value 2. And here is the loop of saying +1. That means we should get tfrg -1, tfrg -2. Let's plan again. Alright, it's loading and it should work. There we go, 1 and 2. Very good. So that's how you can utilize count, put it in the loop so that you can create multiple resources. Okay, so let's utilize the benefit of count with the help of length function and list function. Let me give you a little example. Suppose you have to create multiple subnets. Let's open the code so that it would be easy for me to explain. There we go. This is the code. This is the same code that I have built in the previous video from the scratch, but due to something happened, my voice was not there, but I have uploaded the video so that you can see how can be created from the scratch. It might help you. So this is the code, and let me show you count. Here, count, we have not provided any number but made it dynamic. So what it says here, it is utilizing the length function. Length would give you the numbers. How? It says var dot subnet names. So actually we need 3 subnets in this demo, where we are deploying a resource group, virtual network, and 3 subnets. You can see the subnet names. We have given subnet 1, 2, and 3. So if we use length along with this, we would have the count 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So that means here, that means we have the count 3. Now we have to utilize the index along with the square brackets to because we are targeting the list in the variables. You can see the address space of the subnet is a list. The square brackets, same goes for the subnet, it's a list, square brackets. List is more like 1, 2, and 3. We already talked about it, list variables, in the previous videos. So here, let's get back to the main TF and I'll show you. So you can see, let's go to the name, subnet name, count.index. So what it is doing, you got the count 3. Now it will give 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, default, subnet 1, subnet 2, and subnet 3. When this code run once, we would have subnet 1 as the name. Same goes for the address prefixes. We would have the first one as in the list as the subnet. Then again this would go and we would have subnet 2 created, and the value of the subnet 2 would be second part of the list. Same goes for the third part. So that's how we can get the count value with the help of length, and we can utilize list variables with the help of count.index and create 3 subnet with 3 different values, 3 different names. So let me go ahead and do a Terraform plan, and it will give us the output that it will deploy for us when we will run apply. So let's wait. See, it's going to add 5 resources, and if I maximize this a little bit and go from the beginning, resource group, subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2. Okay, what is the value? 1.0/24. What is the name? Subnet 1. Same goes for value 2.0, subnet 2, 3.0, subnet 3. So that's how you can utilize count with length and list. We have created this code from scratch and deployed and shown in the previous video if you want to go and see. So this is all about the count, length, list, and I hope this would be a learning experience for you. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.